replace this faucet from the counter and replace with the new one in 20 minutes. Much faster than you think, and you can save a lot of money. So first we have to remove this one, and then one. So first you have to close the main valve here, pull it out to close it, and remove this nut here. And then the second one as I remove here. So after we remove both of them out, and then we remove this one here. So there's a button right here on the main one. So when you press it, it will release this hose. So this one, press it. You see my finger here. Press this one and this hose will come out. So after it come out, so you can remove the weight of this one. And then the most important you have to look at is the fastener. So you see that? The fastener right here. It's on the top. So it hold the whole faucet. So we have to release this one. Release it. Lose it. And after that we can remove it. But now we can remove this hose. So basically just pull it out. So you see, very easy. Pull it out. So after remove it, put it on the side, and now loose the fastener on the bottom of this one. So when you buy a new faucet, they will give you a tool like this. So use this one to loose the fastener. You see they have the hole right here and the tool to remove it, to lose it. Okay, so look at this one. And then use the tool. Put on this one. So when you put in here, so it tight like this, and then you can top it to open it. So very easy. So after you remove it, and so now you can pull it up. So remember, this tool is come together with the new faucet. It's very useful. Pull it up. Okay, put it on the side. Just clean this. So put the rubber seal on the bottom. Like this. And then put the metal one on the top. So very easy, right? Put it one on the top here. So you can put the holes, this one together too, already. It doesn't matter. There we go. Okay. So look very nice. And now we put which side do we want? Maybe I put like this. So we want this hold like this. Okay. So now we tie on the bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3. Put this one first, this one tie, and this one the last one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we use this tool tight. So remember to adjust this one and see the angle here. It should be parallel with the edge of the sink. And this one, so make it align with this one together to make it look nice. So keep it straight and align with the edge of the sink, so it will look much better. So you see that, and now put it back here. So after you tied the top, the middle, and make the loop of this cable, so it's easier for you to connect this hose to the main valve and the second hose here. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy after replace this. Look really nice. So really good. So after plug it, press it. Ooh, very nice. So hope you guys enjoy and do it by yourself. So to save buck from the plumber.